We've been running the event now for 3 years, and the purpose of the event really is to help technology companies understand better what is available for them within universities.
Today is a really important event bringing together universities and businesses, because in the UK we have a world-class science base, and actually by accessing some of that expertise in businesses, it helps their competitiveness, it helps them grow and develop as a business, and ultimately creates economic growth and wealth creation.
Autocoding's here today because we're expanding globally. And as part of that global expansion, we're looking at delivering more software solutions to more clients internationally. So I'm looking at ways to build strategic relationships with universities to resource that department.
Opportunities like today that are absolutely about networking, meeting people face to face, having that first contact, beginning to establish that there is some mutual area of engagement is the first step in hopefully developing a longer term relationship of mutual benefit.
I'm looking to understand what the universities can do for us and understand how we can help them. And the students, of course, as well. We want to give them good grounding in the technologies that we need, but also interesting projects to do.
At the University of Manchester we have a business engagement support team who work with colleagues across the university to help businesses all the way through the collaborative process, from scoping projects and opportunities through to project monitoring and reporting, through to IP, commercialisation and licensing.
The University of Central Lancashire have been working with Sci-Tech Daresbury for over 5 years now. It's very much about bringing together those organisations with an academic or a range of academics who's got that knowledge and expertise that organisation is looking for. A really good example of a partnership that benefited not only the university but also an organisation is we had an academic who was working with a manufacturing company in Lancashire, and from that our academic was enabled to identify a gap in the education market, so she developed a manufacturing masters, and from that she was able to recruit about 200 students, which again was a huge benefit to the university. And if she hadn't had that relationship with that organisation, she wouldn't have known that there was that gap in that educational market.
Today's been great for us because we have met new businesses that we haven't previously met. So it's really important for us to make sure that we can access the right networks of companies so that they can come in and work with Lancaster. And one of those things is about coming to events such as today to meet those companies.
Feedback that we've seen historically has always been very, very positive. So it's a very easy way to get connected into multiple universities in a very sort of time efficient manner. Also by using the case study interviews that we do, it helps kind of on a peer-to-peer basis. Companies hear about other companies' experience and the reasons why they've engaged with the universities. And we're starting to build some profile and some reputation around this event that means we will continue to do it on an annual basis.
I think it's been great to share the stage with other universities, so to get some feedback on sort of common areas for development and common priorities. So that's been good, and also just contacts with companies.
So we're here today at the Sci-Tech Daresbury event to build bridges between business and universities, helping to foster relationships and to whether it's through the skills of the academics, through the skills of the students, and encouraging students and supporting them in their employability.
I think technology companies, and indeed companies in general, probably don't realise the wealth of capability and the willingness to work with industry that actually exists within universities. And I know, having come from industry myself, it can be very daunting and difficult to know who to talk to. So really that's my message, is there are business development managers within the universities, and we'll act as your gateway. We'll manage your interaction and we'll make sure that you get to the people that you need to get to, whether it's staff, students, expertise or facilities, to enable you to grow and develop your business.
Sci-Tech is a software products company. We do mobile clinical apps for the NHS. we know how important this idea of forming relationships, strategic relationships, is with the universities. So we're here really just to refresh those sorts of relationships such that we can identify some research projects and some students to help us with our recruitment process.
We're a member of the Sci-Tech Daresbury Gold Partnership Scheme, and we have been for a number of years now. So the university's core motivation in this area is to build ongoing links and pathways with Sci-Tech Daresbury, because we see the whole Sci-Tech Daresbury campus, including STFC, is really quite vitally important for the city region going forward, and because of the kind of activities that these companies are engaged in, they're extremely important to us, and we see this as a long-term project that we're well bought into and we'll be back.
So it's really about helping them to understand that's what's available, but also about finding the kind of the front door into universities, which are often large and complex organisations, and actually establishing some face-to-face relationships with key people within the universities.